Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. How are you today? Wish you are fine. I'm Mrs. Samah Hassan from Taqwa. Let's start our session today. We'll talk about Unit 2, Sound and Light, Lesson 2, Wave Nature of Light. Today, we will know what's meant by light, what is the nature of light waves, what are the properties of light waves. Firstly, what's meant by light? It's an external factor or stimulus that affects the eye, causing the sense of vision. And light is a form of energy. It is the form of energy that can be seen. When light reflected from object and falling on eyes causes vision. Light waves are electromagnetic transverse waves. Why light waves are electromagnetic transverse waves? Because they propagate through vacuum. It doesn't need a medium to propagate through. And why it transverse waves? Yes, of course, because the medium particles vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation. And it also consists of crests and troughs. Okay, let's talk about the speed of light. Firstly, who can remember what's meant by speed of light? Super. It is the distance covered by light in 1 second. And it equals to 3 times 10 to power 8 meter per second. Pay attention, please, and let's see this video.
Light. Did you know that life cannot exist without light? Nearly everything you use depends on light in some way. Light keeps us warm. It powers some of the things we use. It also helps our food grow. Without light, you would not be able to see the beautiful colors of a rainbow, a sunset, the moon in the night sky, or even see your way around. Light is a form of energy that we can see when it is reflected off the surface of an object. Light travels in something called waves. Light waves behave much like the waves in the ocean. However, light waves are much smaller. Some light waves are bigger than others, though. Different colors are determined by the size of the light wave. The light we see every day is called the visible spectrum. The visible spectrum makes up a tiny portion of the...
Okay, let's talk about the visible light. Visible light is one of the components of electromagnetic spectrum. What about its wavelength? Yes, it ranges between 380 to 700 nanometer. So, visible light is one of the components of electromagnetic spectrum. Its wavelength ranges between 380 to 700 nanometer. What about the main source of light energy on the Earth's surface? Great! Of course, it is the sun. So, sun is the main source of light energy on the Earth's surface. Let's see and complete the following statements. Visible light is one of the components of electromagnetic spectrum of wavelength ranges between, remember? Yes, great. It's between 380 to 700 nanometer. Let's see another question. Light is, yes, of course, electromagnetic waves that travel through free space. Which one is the main source of light energy on the Earth's surface? Super, it is the sun. Number 4, the light velocity is the distance, covered by light in 1 second. Number 5, Which one is an external factor that affects the eye causing sense? Super, it's light. And it causing the sense of what? Yes, sense of vision. Choose the correct answer. The first one, the distance that light travels in a second is super. It is the light speed. Number 2, light waves are, what about the nature of light? Can you remember? Yes, of course, it's electromagnetic transverse waves. Number 3, the main source of light on the Earth's surface is, sure, it is the sun. Hope you enjoyed our session today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.